Hi, here is a very important announcement for all of those who are part of Brahmas program. But as I've already announced in my previous sessions that we will be starting our mains classes from August onwards. So here is the announcement for the date and the type of the classes. First of all, the classes will be day long. That is, they will start at around 10 a.m. in the morning and they will go until 10 p.m. maybe or maybe 9 p.m. Okay, so they will be day long classes. In a single class, we will try to sufficiently cover the syllabus. For example, in a single class, we will cover, let's say, social justice. In a single class, we will cover governance. So it will be a day long class so that we do justice with the subject, and in a single day, we are able to cover the entire subject. Let me tell you one thing, and let me promise you one thing. These classes will be more than sufficient, more than comprehensive, and will also inculcate all sort of conceptual clarity which is required to write the mains answers. Okay? Along with that, we will be surely working upon the interlinkages of the subjects. Okay? So these classes will be for GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4, and even essay. So essay, although we will not have the day long classes, that is what I will announce separately. What I'm trying to make a point is, beta, we'll cover the entire main syllabus through these classes. Okay. Now some of you may be in the beginning phase, some of you may have given some attempts. For all of you, they will be a perfect fit. Why? Because in the classes itself, we will be making the on the spot summaries. I will show you a sample. Just look at the screen. Okay. Listen to me very carefully. For the entire syllabus, and I mean it, beta topic, beta subtopic, for the entire syllabus, beta, we will be making the summaries in the classes itself. If we are in a, if we are in a single day, we are covering the social justice. In the class itself, we will ensure that entire social justice, all subtopics, micro topics, all themes, micro themes, along with the enrichment, is sufficiently covered, let's say in 35 or 40 pages maximum, so that we can revise it multiple number of times. Whatever is the value addition required in these summaries, maybe the data, maybe the definitions, maybe the keywords, maybe the judgments, committees, all best practices, case studies, whatever is required, we will do in the class itself, so that we are preparing comprehensively for the mains. Okay, and all the arsenal which we need for the mains answers will be concisely available in the summary format. Okay, that is what we will be doing in the classes itself, and that is where I'm saying, even if you have given some number of attempts, or even if you are a beginner, let me assume you haven't read the social justice, you haven't studied the social justice at all, or maybe the governance at all. Sit, be confident, and I promise you will get the gist, or maybe the entire, what I can say, subject on your tips. Okay. Beta, if I talk about this batch, first of all, for the Brahmas, we have two batches. Okay. Either you can be a part of, let's say, 18th August ka batch, or maybe you can be a part of 4th September ka batch. There will be a Google form, beta, in your Telegram channels or the private Telegram channels, which you have to fill, and you have to opt the batch. Now, if you have already, if you have opted for 18th August ka batch, you cannot transfer to the 4th September ka batch. Okay, do I make sense? There will be a definite schedule which we will give you. So with this video only, or maybe in the description of this video, I will attach the schedule of the classes. What you will do, you will sync this schedule of mains revision classes with your Brahmaska test. So if you can comprehend it right, now for the subsequent Brahmaska test for next 2 months, you will have less amount of time available. Okay. Now you have to brace up, you have to give it a tight fight, that you have to give your test on time, and along with it you have to attend these mains revision classes, so that you are comprehensively covering the main syllabus. If you have seen, or if you have gone through my orientation or my other session, I always say that in Brahmas, you are two people for me, two people. At the same time, if you are Ram 1.0 and you are Ram 2.0. Ram 1.0 will do the self-study and will keep on writing the Brahmaska tests. And Ram 2.0, you will be under me and you will be attending my sessions or my classes. So for Ram 2.0, I will be starting the mains revision classes. And RAM 1.0 will go will study for the Brahmastra test and will keep on writing the test on time. And I agree with you, you will now have less amount of time with you to write the test, but you should agree with me that here this RAM 2.0 will ensure that RAM as a whole is mains ready, or is sufficiently prepared for the mains. So that is what I wanted to convey. These classes beta will be on Monday and Thursday. As I've already told you, these will be day long classes, 10 AM to maybe 8 or 9 or 10 PM. Okay, so day long classes. Schedule I will share in your groups, है ना? And this is the commitment from my side under the Brahmas program to enable your best attempt in 2026. Okay, so if we are giving, let's say 5x or maybe x amount of effort, I'm expecting the same from your side. Okay, I generally say it in my session that I need your 100% commitment towards the 2026 attempt. So I request you one thing very sincerely, please do not miss any class and attend all of them on the given time frame. Okay, you will not miss any class, you will attend all of them in the time frame and try to manage your Brahmastra test. If you face any difficulty in sort of management both of them, let's say mains revision classes and a Brahmastra test, just reach your personal mentor whenever you feel it difficult to manage. Okay, at that time you can always connect with your personal mentor. So that is all from my side. Whatever doubts you have, please drop them in the comment section. If you have any feedback for the Brahmas as a program, please drop it in the comment section. Anything which you want to ask, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day.